Hey guys, in this video, I got 2 quick tips to understand trading or day trading in general. So stick around. Let's talk about what we can control, your risk, right? When we talk about risk, is how much can you risk in the market? Your capital. Are you willing to risk 1%, 2% of your account, 3%, 5% of your account? That is risk. You have 100% total control over that. Second one is we're going to be talking about entry. You have control when to enter. Okay? And I think I need to talk about the third one too, which is your exit, your entry and exit. You have total control on both of them. When to enter, when to exit. Another one that you can actually control, your reasoning, right? Your reason. What is your reason, right? What is your reason to enter the trade? And what is your reason that you got out of the trade? In Forex, we have this called lot sizes. Lot sizes is the one that allows you to actually trade in the market and using the leverage. Micro lot size, mini lot size, and our regular standard lot size. Okay, so whether you put in 10 cents, $1, $10, you have control over that. Another one that I want to talk about is what you trade. You have total control of what you trade, whether that's stocks, commodities, Forex, binary option. That is all 100% on you. You also have control over the reaction towards the outcome. You have total control over your emotion, whether the trade will be a winning trade or a losing trade. And last but not the least is the process. You have total control on the process, whether that's your strategy, using indicators for you, using technical analysis, fundamental analysis, right? You have total control on the process, including your emotions. Now, I want to talk about the 3 things that you cannot control. First will be the price movement. You cannot control the price movement. Whether the price goes up and down, you have no control over that. Second one that I want to talk about is the market news. Why market news? You have no control over the market news, right? So the market is going to do its thing. It's going to do its fundamental news, right? The news will be released regardless, right? You have no control over that. Oh no, I'm trading Euro USD and I want Euro to skyrocket because I feel bullish today. Not gonna happen. You have no control over the market news and the outcome of the trade. Whether you win, whether you lose, okay, you cannot control the outcome. You can react to it, which is what you can control, but you cannot control the outcome of the market. What you can do is minimize your risk. Minimize that risk. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.